two giants clash for smartphone supremacy in 2025. Apple iPhone 16 Plus versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Which one really delivers? On one side, the sleek, feature-packed Apple iPhone 16 Plus, powerful, elegant, and packed with Apple intelligence. On the other, the dynamic Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, cutting-edge Android with Galaxy AI and a brilliant display. Let's skip the buzzwords and hype and dive into what matters for you. Every category scores points, so you'll see exactly which device comes out on top by the end. The final verdict? It might just surprise you. So before we get going, let me hit you with a mind map of all the stuff we're about to compare. We have design and display, performance, camera, battery and charging, AI and software, storage and memory, and ecosystem. Every category matters, and each one has its own quirks, surprises, and, well, let's just say some stuff you need to know. All right, kicking things off with design and display. So, the iPhone 16 Plus, you get that classic premium Apple build, super comfortable in the hand, really feels like you're holding something expensive. But you know what? It's stuck with that 60 Hz refresh rate. In 2025, 60 Hz feels, well, a little old school. Would have loved something smoother. And oh, no micro SD slot. Now, flipping to the Galaxy S24 Plus, Samsung nails it on the looks. Sleek, a bit heavier, but honestly, it feels solid. The display? Oh, and here's something cool. You get that dynamic 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. That Super AMOLED is crazily bright and buttery smooth. Samsung takes this round for sure, and it's not even close. Performance time! Apple brings out the A18 chip, and yeah, it's a beast. Like, seriously fast, handles heavy apps, gaming, whatever you throw at it, smooth as ever. Efficient, too. Kind of cool running so you don't feel like you've got a hot rock in your pocket. Only thing is, 8 GB of RAM, which, okay, it's less than the Samsung. The S24 Plus is rocking Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which, don't get me wrong, is top tier for Android, plus it packs 12 GB of RAM for those wild multitasking moments. But it's just a touch less efficient than Apple's chip. So, if you care about raw speed and buttery operation, iPhone squeaks ahead in this round. Moving on to cameras, iPhone 16 Plus brings that classic Apple camera look. 48 megapixels main, super vibrant warm colors, and yeah, it's amazing for video content. But here's the kicker, no telephoto and no macro. Samsung S24 Plus? Whoa. You get a 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, a 20 megapixel telephoto for those super unflattering close-ups, plus a dedicated macro lens. Triple lens setup wins versatility hands down. Only thing, photos sometimes land on the cooler side, color-wise, but honestly, who cares when you get that much lens flexibility? Samsung wins this one, clearly. Oh, and did you know? The iPhone 16 Plus actually comes with a customizable quick launch button for the camera. So if you're that person who needs to snap a pic every 5 seconds, yeah, that's a pretty sweet bonus. Next up is battery and charging. iPhone 16 Plus packs a comfy 4,674 mAh battery, and yeah, it'll last you all day. Maybe more if you're sensible. Charging? It's pretty good. 26 watts wired and 25 watts MagSafe wireless. The Samsung S24 Plus, though, bumps things up with a 4,900 mAh cell. It's slightly bigger, but hey, that's more power for those long gaming nights or binge fests. Oh, and wired charging? A zippy 45 watts. So if you're always low on juice, Samsung is just way quicker to refuel. This category? Yeah, it's Samsung's win. Let's talk about AI and software. The iPhone 16 Plus is teasing Apple Intelligence, and while it's not totally here yet, when it drops, it could add a bunch of new AI features. They're hyping up privacy too. iOS 18 is super customizable now, which is new for Apple. Meanwhile, Samsung comes in with Galaxy AI, live translation, mad summarization tricks, and a ton of features that, okay, some do feel a bit gimmicky, but Android 14 remains as customizable and rich as ever. Honestly, this round is a tie. Both sides have great stuff, but each still has areas to grow. Storage and memory. iPhone 16 Plus has 128 gigabytes base and goes up to 512 gigabytes, which is fine. But you do only get 8 gigabytes RAM and no micro SD slot. That can be a letdown for pro users. On the Samsung side, you get 256 gigabytes base, way roomier out of the box, and up to 512 gigabytes with 12 gigabytes RAM. Still no micro SD slot though. If you need more storage and RAM, Samsung is the obvious pick. Last up, the ecosystem. Apple's ecosystem is, well, kind of legendary. If you've got a MacBook, iPad, AirPods, you name it, everything just clicks. AirDrop, iMessage, iCloud, all the stuff that makes life easy. Though once you're in, you're kind of locked in. Samsung and Android play nice with anything, and Samsung does cool stuff like DeX and SmartThings, but it's just less unified than what Apple's putting out. In this round, Apple is king, no question. Let's pause and take a look at the big picture. If you stack up every category, design, display, performance, camera, battery, AI, storage, and ecosystem, the Galaxy S24 Plus stands out in more areas, especially for display, camera, and charging speed. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Plus shines in pure speed and the whole Apple vibe that keeps your devices in sync. Honestly, after seeing the nitty-gritty here, it's a pretty tight race. Both phones are absolute beasts. But if you want the total package with the best display, battery, and the most flexible camera system, the Galaxy S24 Plus is your pick. But if you live and breathe all things Apple, especially the performance side and that seamless ecosystem, the iPhone 16 Plus still rocks. It's really about what matters most for you. So that's the showdown. Which one fits your style? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want to see more wild tech battles, make sure you stick around for the next